urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Columbiana County and east central Ohio until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was detected 6 miles northwest of Homeworth, or near Alliance, and was moving east at 20 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters to $half and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Homeworth, Salem, Guilford Lake State Park, Latonia, Lisbon. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at @Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbiana County, Ohio.
The forecast